Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, friends. So happy you're here again.
Today, we are talking about something wonderful.
Something exciting and relaxing, too.
Yes, today we talk about travel and holidays.
Holidays. Big smile already.
Yes, traveling makes everyone smile.
New places, new food, new memories.
And today, we learn how to talk about travel in simple English.
Very simple, very natural, calm and easy.
Before we start, please subscribe to Fun English Duo.
And like this video if you love traveling, even a little bit.
Even a small travel to your kitchen counts sometimes.
Yes, mini vacation to the fridge.
Okay, let's start. Thomas, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Very much.
What kind of places do you like?
Mountains, forests, quiet places, peace, nature.
Nature holidays are beautiful.
And you, where do you like to go?
I love beaches, soft waves, warm sun, coconut trees.
Beach holiday equals perfect holiday.
Most of the time, yes. Let's start with simple travel words.
Listen and imagine them.
Traveler,
Holiday,
vacation,
trip,
flight,
airport,
hotel,
ticket,
passport,
bag,
suitcase,
beach,
mountains,
city,
adventure.
relaxation.
Good.
Very good. Simple words, strong meaning.
Now, small sentences, one by one.
I like to travel.
I love holidays.
I enjoy visiting new places.
I like taking photos on trips.
I like trying new food when I travel.
I like walking around cities.
I like sitting near water, sea, lake, river.
I like warm weather on holiday.
I like fresh mountain air.
Nice. Now feelings.
Yes, travel feelings are strong.
I feel excited when I travel.
I feel relaxed on holiday.
I feel calm near the ocean.
I feel peaceful in nature.
I feel curious in new countries.
I feel free when I see big, open places.
Travel brings beautiful emotions.
Yes, very soft inside.
Let's talk about planning a trip.
Okay,
I choose a place.
I check hotels.
I book tickets.
I pack my bag.
I take my passport.
I go to the airport.
I travel.
And I smile. Like this.
Yes, holiday face. Very happy.
Always happy, even sleepy happy.
Let's name holiday activities.
Walk on the beach.
Swim in the sea.
Relax in a hotel.
Drink juice by the pool.
Explore a city.
Visit museums.
Try new food.
Take pictures.
Watch sunset.
Watch sunrise.
Sleep a lot.
Laugh a lot.
Eat a lot. Ha ha ha.
Yes, holiday calories don't count. Let's practice describing a holiday.
My holiday was amazing.
The weather was perfect.
The hotel was nice and comfortable.
The food was delicious.
The people were friendly.
The beach was beautiful.
The mountains were peaceful.
And sometimes,
The flight was late.
the room was small.
The taxi was expensive.
But still, holiday is holiday.
Yes, we enjoy anyway.
Thomas, what do you pack when you travel?
Clothes, charger, snacks. Snacks are very important.
Yes, for you, comfortable clothes, sunscreen, water bottle.
Very healthy packing.
Let's imagine a beach day.
Okay.
I wake up slowly.
I stretch, relax, smile.
I eat breakfast calmly.
I walk to the beach.
I sit near the water.
I listen to the waves.
I breathe slowly.
I feel peaceful.
Now imagine a mountain holiday.
I wake up early.
The air is fresh.
The mountains look beautiful.
Birds are singing.
I take a deep breath.
I feel calm and happy.
See? You can travel in your mind too.
Yes, mental holiday. Very useful. Now, repeat softly in your heart.
I love traveling.
I enjoy holidays.
I like exploring new places.
I feel excited when I travel.
Travel makes my heart happy.
I relax and recharge.
I enjoy learning through travel.
Good affirmations. Very gentle. Travel is not only movement
Travel is feeling
and learning.
and growing.
Now, let's practice a small hotel talk.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your room is ready. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
Easy, right?
Very easy. Anyone can speak like this.
Now, airport talk.
Passport, please.
Here you go.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, one bag only.
Great. Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
Simple English works everywhere.
Yes, no need to worry. Now, let's help listeners imagine their dream holiday now.
Close your eyes. Slow breath.
Think about a place you love.
A beach, a mountain, a lake, a city.
Imagine walking there.
Imagine smiling.
Imagine peace.
Feel calm and happy.
Travel brings hope.
And gentle excitement.
Even planning feels good.
Yes, travel planning is half holiday already.
True, booking happiness. Now, answer in your mind.
Where do you want to go? Beach or mountains?
City or nature?
Alone or with family?
There are no wrong answers.
Every dream trip is beautiful. My dream trip?
Tell us.
I want to go to Switzerland. Mountains, lakes, peace.
Nice. I want to go to Maldives. Ocean, sky, calm water.
Very peaceful dreams.
Let's repeat one last travel affirmation set.
I will travel more.
I will explore the world.
I will take time for myself.
I deserve rest.
I enjoy discovering new places.
Travel makes my heart happy.
I choose calm, joy, and peace.
Feels so good.
Yes, very soft inside right now.
Yes, very soft inside right now. Thank you for learning with us today.
You traveled with your mind and heart.
Tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel next?
And say it in English. We want to read your dream places.
Keep practicing English.
Keep dreaming
Keep smiling.
and keep planning beautiful holidays. Bye.
Bye.